They called it a festival, but to us, it was a story of identity, peace, and confidence.
I worked on the costume, making sure they represented our culture and peace.
I was one of the marshals. I helped check orders and make sure everything went well.
I was part of the pageantry committee. I helped organize the contestants and make sure everything went smoothly.
I was one of the dancers. Each step and move we made shows love, joy, and unity.
I was one of the sport committee. I helped organize the sport day and made sure all sport activities were carried out peacefully.
I was one of the feather girl. Our look represented beauty, peace, and togetherness.
As the face of the festival, I represented the message of peace and cultural pride. Every color, every sound, every smile carried a message that peace is not just a word, it's a way of life.
This is our story. This is behind the festival, the untold story.